mag-show kayo ganun, no? Ayan. Okay. Tingin ka sa dyan. Okay, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Leila Aline Adjeta from SSC Grade 1 Aristotle. For our scientific look-alike, my name is Leticia Mumford Gear. I am born in 1852 in New York City, USA. I am a nurse and an inventor. I become famous and known by inventing a one-handed medical syringe. No, not you. No, not you. It made giving medicine easier, safer, and more convenient. Up to this day, we're still using my invention. I passed away in 1935, July 18, 1935 at Brooklyn, New York at the age of 83 years old. Hope you won't forget about me, Leticia Mumford Gear, the inventor of the one-handed medical syringe. Thank you.
Hello, let's clap for Elaine. Okay, come here.